Okay guys, if you are doing dropshipping, you probably notice that dropshipping is slowing down. It is slowly dying. And that is because most of the people who are buying those stuff realize that those stuff are coming from AliExpress. So why would they pay 30, 40, 50% more when they can simply go on AliExpress and buy it much cheaper? So for example, when you come here on Amazon and when you search for earbuds, for example, and click here on enter, and for example, when I take these JBL earbuds, when I click here I can see that these earbuds cost $59.95. They basically cost $60. So when I copy this, okay, Control C, and when I go on AliExpress and search exactly the same earbuds, I can see that these earbuds on AliExpress costs $16.51. Now that is more than $40 cheaper here on AliExpress. So how can you use this to make money online? Well, what you can do is you can simply go and join to AliExpress affiliate program. So what you need to do? You need to go on Google and then here you need to search AliExpress affiliate program and then press enter. And then click here on this first result and you will come to their affiliate application program. Here you can see they will give you up to 9% affiliate commission. And when you scroll here you can see you can actually get extra 4% of affiliate commission. So when you go here on Amazon affiliate commissions, here you can see games will get you 20%. Luxury and beauty will give you 10% affiliate commission, but these things here, they are hard to sell. These things that are much easier to sell, they have much lower affiliate commission. So you will earn about the same money by promoting AliExpress products and also by promoting Amazon products, because AliExpress products are cheaper, but they will give you on average higher affiliate commission. So you will earn about the same money. So what you need to do, you simply need to go back here and you need to click here on register to register as an AliExpress affiliate. And then click here on register, and here you need to choose your location. Here you can see you can choose one of these locations. Here you need to add your email address and you need to add your password. Now next step is you need to verify your email address. So I will add my verification code and then simply click here verify email. Now next step is you need to add your contact email, you need to verify that email, you need to add your phone number, you need to add your social media platform. I will choose one of these. For example, I will choose Facebook, okay? And then here social media account ID, online search, AliExpress website, how did you hear about us? Now I will choose, for example, online search. Do you want to subscribe to AliExpress portal newsletter? No, I don't want to do that. Click here to confirm that you agree with AliExpress privacy policy and then simply click here on next. Okay, we came to site information. Are you a network or non-network? Now I'm an individual, so I'm non-network. So here I can choose social media. Here I can choose influencer, for example. And here I can choose, for example, Instagram, okay? And here you need to add a site name, site URL. You need to choose a category, traffic source area, and also here you can add description, but you don't really need to do that. After that, all you have to do is just click here on submit, and that's it. You will register for AliExpress affiliate program. After you finish registration, you need to verify your account. After you verify your account, you can start promoting AliExpress affiliate products. Now, one of the easiest and best ways to promote affiliate products from AliExpress is by making short and simple videos that you can upload on TikTok, on YouTube as YouTube Shorts, on Instagram as a Reels, on Pinterest, on Twitter, on Facebook, and so on and so on. Now, to promote AliExpress affiliate products, what you can do is you can simply come here on TikTok and then here you can search for AliExpress. And here you can see all the keywords, all the stuff that people are searching here on TikTok. AliExpress finds, AliExpress hauls, AliExpress must have, things to buy, products, unboxing, cool stuff, best products, and so on and so on. And when I click here, for example, on finds, and when I click here on videos, here I can see videos. So basically here you can see these videos are getting 2.6 million views, 1.3 million views. For example, here 10.5 million views. And for example, when you come here and when you search for these same earbuds that we found here on AliExpress and also on Amazon, when you search them here on TikTok and press enter, here you will see there are people who actually review these exact same earbuds. 26,000 views, 39,000 views, 213,000 views, 496,000 views. Now imagine if you have 500,000 views, how much money you can actually make. Look at this, 5.7 million views. Imagine how much money you can make if you get 1 million views, how many sales you can make. And these are all simple videos. As you can see here, these guys, they just bought those earbuds and they made a simple short video. And they are probably making a lots of money by promoting AliExpress products with these simple videos. Now, these are simple videos. These people go on AliExpress and they buy this stuff and they simply make a short review videos or hauls of these products and they upload those videos on TikTok every day. And not just on TikTok, also on Instagram, on Twitter, on Pinterest, on YouTube, on Facebook, and so on and so on. And that is exactly what you need to do. You need to go on AliExpress and you need to buy cheap stuff. If you're just starting, just buy cheap stuff, for example, for $3, $2, and then simply make a review video and upload that on TikTok. Upload those videos on TikTok. That is the easiest way to start making money with AliExpress affiliate program. Now, this is a tip for you. If you are just starting, what I would recommend you is to actually start promoting AliExpress products in your own country. Why? Because you know what is trending in your country. You know what people are buying from AliExpress in your own country. I bet that you know at least one person in your neighborhood who bought something from AliExpress. It is much, much easier to promote AliExpress products in your own country. Later, when you get more money, when you get more knowledge and experience, later you can switch to other richer markets like United States, Canada, and Australia. But like I said, if you are just starting, I would recommend to start promoting AliExpress products in your own country. So as you can see, guys, this is actually not that hard. It is not that expensive. You can start making money with AliExpress affiliate program with just a small investment and in next 3 or 4 months. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.